Good morning, Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for June 18th, 2015. We have a warm front that's pushing through the area this morning, and this will bring with it some rain that's going to last through about mid to late morning, we'll say, across our coverage area here, ending from southwest but generally west-east, southwest, and northeast, you can call it too. Your warm front is actually sitting down here like this, so this is all out in front of it. And you get this heavier batch of precipitation that's shown here on the global models moving through here. The most concentrated areas could get a little over a half inch, somewhere between it locally a half inch to an inch before this is all said and done, and of course goes through what fell last night. I'm going to go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. This is looking at 6 a.m. You can see it's mostly just showery activity, but you have a few spots here would have some embedded heavier amounts coming through here. I'm going to push this to motion, and you can see as we get through late morning and to about noon here, we got some shower activity here, pretty much winding down as you closer to get to noon here. But as you get in the early afternoon here, you get some more pop-up, very widely scattered showers that could pop up here, and there's not really much shown here, but you could definitely get one of those going straight through actually the overnight hours before this finally clears out here as we start getting past midnight here. So this is not a day you're going to see the sun. Mostly, if you see the sun today, it's pretty nothing short of a miracle. Actually, you're going to have a marine flow. It's going to be in command today with a southeasterly flow. Of course, that warm front moving through the area here will keep this socked in the clouds today. By staying in the clouds, you're going to be in the 60s and low 70s for highs today. So a big change as far as temperature is concerned. It will definitely be humid today, but when it's humid and 70, it's not the same thing as humid and 90. Big difference. A little more tolerable anyway. But this will clear out of here, and then we should be okay for Friday. Now, we are going to have the opportunity for maybe an early shower here, very isolated chance for an early shower here early Friday. This is a cold front moving through here. This is going to set up a very nice day for Friday and Saturday. Let's go over to the global models again. We'll take a look at what we're looking at here. We can move ahead to early Friday morning. Now, one thing you're going to notice on this picture here, first of all, here's a cold front coming through. Should be a mostly dry frontal passage coming through, setting up a very, very nice Friday and Saturday, like we just mentioned. This right here is the remnants of that tropical storm. You can see it still has tropical-like characteristics. It's still a tropical depression here at this point. Looking at it over in the Missouri and Arkansas border area is expected to be at this point. As this moves eastward, it's going to lose any remaining tropical characteristics and turn into just a low pressure system. And that low pressure system is the remnant moisture we're expecting to kind of come up here in this direction here like this and come right across our coverage area here, just like that. There's some questions on with the southeast ridge being in place here. If it will be a little bit stronger, it might push it up to the north across New York State. Does not look like that's going to happen now. The models are starting to converge in this middle solution, which is right across our coverage area. The other one was taking it down further to the south. That is also not being shown currently. So, not saying this can't happen, but the most likely scenario is that we're going to get the rain. Now it's just a matter of how much and what the timing is going to be. And our best guess right now, as this moves towards us, is going to be over the weekend. Looks like it's going to be a round of heavy rain here that lasts around 6 hours, about a 6-hour rainfall from start to finish, maybe 4 to 6 hours if it moves in quick enough, moves out quick enough, I should say. We're looking at starting in the wee hours in the morning, Sunday morning, so maybe like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, going up to about noon. Give that window from west to east. Okay, that's where I think it's your best chance that we get some partial clearing here in the afternoon once this system clears. So I know Sunday's Father's Day, so people have plans. Some have plans outdoors with that. These are some very important decisions people are going to have to make for this weekend here. I do think it starts Saturday night. I do think it just lasts the first half of Sunday and then moves out, but we will get closer to that. As we get closer to this, we'll give it a narrow down exact timing, but that's what it's looking like right now. They were not going to be able to avoid it. You see going right across our coverage area, could dump a quick 1-2 inches of rain, and then it's out of here. So as we get a little bit closer, we'll take a better look at this, but as of right now, it looks like we are going to be affected by a direct hit. Just a matter of timing and exact impacts of the total amounts that we're expecting and how fast it's moving. After that, Monday looks okay, and then we look for an isolated opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm on Tuesday. But most places should be a partly cloudy to start the week. Starting next week, with temperatures right around average or just above average for the start of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for June 18th, 2015. Have a great Thursday.